The massive equipment behind me is a 500 kilowatts industrial rectifier transformer. It takes 5 months to manufacture, and just the coil winding alone requires dozens of skilled technicians to manually wind it. Basically, a transformer is a device for voltage transformation. What sets this unit apart? It steps 500 kilowatts high voltage directly down to roughly 1000 volts. Removing the need of intermediate step-down substations, a conventional intermediate step-down substation normally costs around 700 million to 1 billion yuan. And this product can drastically cut total project construction costs. All performance indicators, including temperature rise, loss, partial discharge, and voltage withstand, surpass national standards. The whole process was supervised by the National Transformer Quality Inspection Center, with 0 defects and no rectifications required. Founded in 1954, Jiangxi Transformer Technology Co Limited has focused on transformer manufacturing over the past 7 decades. So what's your experience working here?
我进厂30多年来，那时候造的变压器是几十千伏安，现在是500千伏安。这台500千伏安的时候，我们是2017年开始攻克，在没有外界参考的基础下，我们是一点一点啃下来的。
Jiangxi Transformer Technology Co Limited secured its first overseas order to Malaysia back in 1992, followed by independent direct exports to Nepal in 2003. Prior to 2023, overseas sales accounted for less than 30% of total revenue. In 2026, the figure rose to 60% of total revenue. New contracts signed in the first half of the year exceeded 1.6 billion yuan, with production scheduled through 2027. From substations in Italy and electrolytic aluminum plants in Indonesia to industrial parks in the US and power stations across Africa, transformers built in Nanchang are powering facilities across half the globe.
我们目前正在进一步的拓展海外业务，下一步我们计划在非洲、东南亚和欧洲设立3个办事处。
From a modest factory workshop built in 1954 to the rollout of the world's first 500 kilowatts industrial rectifier transformer in 2026. This veteran factory has answered one question with unwavering dedication over 7 decades. How far can one transformer travel? From Jiangxi to every continent across the globe.